20 classic cars under $5,000. From a Corvette Stingray and Trans Am, Camaro, to a Mercedes diesel, and even a vintage Cadillac. Some run, some need work, but every deal is real. Car 1, 1977 Ford LTD, $5,000. Starting the list is a 1977 Ford LTD, listed for $5,000 in Atlanta, Georgia. This large American sedan shows just 18,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a matching green interior, it has had only 2 owners. According to the seller, the car needs work and is being sold due to financial reasons. It's described as a good project or parts car, and the seller is open to negotiation or trades. Overall, it appears to be a low-mileage classic that still needs proper attention to reach its full potential. Car 2, 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE, $4,500. Next is a 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE, listed for $4,500 in Tennessee. This inline-6 luxury sedan was recently pulled from a barn and brought back to running condition. The seller has already replaced several components, including the radiator, ignition parts, fuel system, battery, and fluids. The car now runs and drives, but the brakes are not fully sorted yet and still need proper lines installed. It will also need some floor and trunk repair due to rust. Even so, it presents a solid starting point for someone interested in a classic European restoration. Car 3, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta, $5,000. Next up is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta, listed for $5,000 in Tennessee. This car comes with a factory inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed transmission. According to the seller, it starts, runs, and is able to move under its own power. It still has factory air conditioning, although it currently does not blow cold air. The car will need tires, brakes, lighting work, and some interior attention, including carpet replacement. With a clean title and just over 100,000 miles, it looks like a usable project. Car 4, 1955 Chrysler New Yorker, $4,500. Here we have a 1955 Chrysler New Yorker, listed for $4,500 in Virginia. This classic sedan is powered by a 318 V8 engine and is described as running and driving. The interior, including the seats and dashboard, is said to be in excellent condition for its age. However, the car will need brake work before it can be safely driven on the road. The seller is also including extra parts such as gauges, a speedometer, and additional taillights. Overall, it's presented as a solid project with good potential. Car 5, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Stingray, $5,000. Next is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Stingray, listed for $5,000 in Wisconsin. This black coupe is equipped with a built 327 engine and a manual transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well and has already received new tires and brakes. However, it still needs some interior work to be fully complete. The owner originally planned to restore it, but decided to move on to another purchase. It appears to be one of the more complete and drivable cars on this list.
Car 6, 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, $4,900. Next up is a 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, listed for $4,900 in Michigan. This car comes with a 403 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The seller mentions that the original engine is currently locked up due to sitting for a long time. However, another engine is available and may be included with the deal. The car shows just over 100,000 miles and is being sold as a project. For someone looking for a Trans Am restoration, this could be a starting point. Car 7, 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne 10, $5,000. Next is a 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne 10 pickup listed for $5,000 in Georgia. This truck is powered by a rebuilt 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs and drives well and originally came with factory air conditioning, although some components are missing. The truck also features power steering and power brakes. It does have some typical rust and wear, especially in the bed floor, but overall it's described as a solid driver with room for improvement. Car 8, 1964 Ford Galaxy Convertible, $5,000. Next is a 1964 Ford Galaxy Convertible listed for $5,000 in Indiana. This car is equipped with a 352 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It has been sitting in storage for about 26 years and is described as very complete and mostly original. The engine does turn over, but the seller has not attempted to start it. It will need floor and trunk repairs as shown in the listing. With a clean title and classic convertible styling, it could be a rewarding restoration project. Car 9, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $4,800. Next is a 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray listed for $4,800 in Georgia. The seller states that the transmission, engine, and brakes are all in good condition. However, the car currently does not run due to a dirty carburetor. The body is said to be free from major rust, and the car comes with a clean title. The seller is also open to trades involving another car plus cash. With some basic mechanical work, it could potentially be brought back to life. Car 10, 1970 Mercury Cougar Convertible, $2,800. Wrapping up this part is a 1970 Mercury Cougar Convertible listed for $2,800 in Ohio. This barn find project is equipped with a 351 Windsor engine and factory air conditioning. The car is very original but currently does not run and will require significant restoration work, including floor repairs. The seller notes that the frame and rear structure are still in good condition, which is a positive sign. It rolls freely and can be loaded, making it a solid candidate for a full rebuild project.
Car 11, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS, $3,000. Starting this part is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS, listed for $3,000 in Georgia. The seller says the car runs and can move around the yard, making it a basic running project. It recently received a new master cylinder and rebuilt rear brakes, although the braking system still needs additional work. The car also needs rear floorboards and has small holes in the front floors that could be patched. A full interior is included, but it will need restoration. It's being sold with a bill of sale only, which is something buyers will need to consider. Car 12, 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D, $3,000. Next is a 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D, listed for $3,000 in Georgia. This classic diesel sedan shows just over 32,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car ran when it was parked and can run on both standard diesel and biodiesel. It also includes a block heater and appears to be mostly complete. The main issue mentioned is a faulty driver's side window regulator, along with some visible rust. With its reputation for durability, it could be a solid restoration candidate. Car 13, 1971 Plymouth Valiant, $5,000. Next up is a 1971 Plymouth Valiant listed for $5,000 in Pennsylvania. This slant 6 powered car is described as a good running daily driver
that the owner still uses regularly. Over the past year, many components have been replaced, including brakes, alternator, carburetor, suspension parts, and more. The front seat has also been fully redone with new upholstery. While the car has some minor rust and small interior imperfections, the underside is said to be very clean. It does carry an R title due to past abandonment, but the seller notes there is no sign of accident damage. Car 14, 1971 Ford Maverick, $2,500. Next is a 1971 Ford Maverick listed for $2,500 in North Carolina. This four-door model is powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The seller says the car runs and drives, and the body is described as solid for its age. The interior is also in decent condition, making it a fairly complete example. It has been stored out of the weather, which likely helped preserve its overall condition. Car 16, 1966 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, $2,800. Next is a 1966 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, listed for $2,800 in Kentucky. This car shows around 84,000 miles and is said to have a strong running engine. The frame and floorboards are described as solid, which is a big plus for a project car. However, the vehicle does not come with a title, and the interior will need work, including seats and carpeting. The seller notes that it can be started using an external fuel source, suggesting the fuel system will need cleaning or repair.
Car 16, 1979 Mercury Cougar XR7, $1,500. Next on the list is a 1979 Mercury Cougar XR7, listed for $1,500 in Pennsylvania. This car is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller says it does run, but currently needs a carburetor replacement. It also comes with additional parts, including the rear bumper and other components. The car has a clean title and is being sold as a project that needs some care and attention to be fully road ready. Car 17, 1951 Buick Special, $2,200. Next is a 1951 Buick Special listed for $2,200 in Tennessee. This two-door sedan is powered by a straight 8 engine paired with a Dynaflow automatic transmission. The seller says it runs, drives, and stops around the yard but is not ready for street use. The engine runs but is described as tired, and the transmission has a leak. The floors will need significant repair, and the car does not have a title. It's being sold as a budget project or parts car with a firm price. Car 18, 1981 AMC Concorde, $1,000. Next is a 1981 AMC Concorde listed for $1,000 in Virginia. This car shows around 54,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The seller describes it simply as a project car that needs work and is being sold as is. While details are limited, cars like this can appeal to buyers looking for a low-cost entry into classic car ownership or a simple restoration project. Car 19, 1978 Ford Granada, $1,000. Next is a 1978 Ford Granada listed for $1,000 in Tennessee. The car comes with a title and is described as mostly complete and solid for its age. However, it does not currently run and will need mechanical work to get back on the road. The paint is faded, the front seat is torn, and it will need tires.
Even so, the seller suggests it could be a good base for a resto mod or budget cruiser build. Car 20, 1965 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, $800. Finishing the list is a 1965 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, listed for just $800 in Michigan. This large luxury sedan is being sold mainly as a parts car, as it no longer has an engine, transmission, or radiator. Despite that, many other components are still available, making it useful for restoration parts. The car does not come with a title and is being sold as is. At this price, it's one of the cheapest entries on the list and could still have value for the right buyer. So, which one would you pick? The Corvette, the Trans Am, or the cheapest Cadillac here? Drop your choice below and subscribe for more real budget classic car finds.